Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the machine. Disconnect from Wi-Fi to prevent the fake ad process from fetching more payloads. Next, create a system restore point and jot down active browsers and suspicious extensions so you can reverse changes. Open your chosen anti-malware tool and run a quick scan to detect active threats. This finds running processes and quarantines obvious culprits. Once done, reboot into safe mode if the scan flagged anything, so you can remove files without interference. You now focus on the middle work. Open every browser and inspect extensions. Disable or remove anything you didn't install, then reset the browser to default settings to clear injected homepages or search engines. Meanwhile, use auto runs or task manager to find weird startup items and disable them so the ad process won't relaunch. Run a full anti-malware scan to catch dormant files. Then delete quarantined items and manually clear %temp%, browser caches, and download folders to remove leftover. You finish by rebooting normally and testing each browser. Open sites that previously showed fake ads to confirm they're gone. Make sure to reinstall only trusted extensions from official stores and change any passwords that may have been affected, because adware can harvest credentials. Run one final full scan and update your OS and browser. If the fake ads persist, make a rescue USB, boot offline, and run an external scanner. That lets you remove stubborn files that run before Windows loads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.